Hi guys, welcome to AM Dance YouTube channel. Today we're doing a step-by-step tutorial for Billionaire by Babymonster. We will go through each move slowly, then take you through the count of the dance. There's no music in this video, so when you're ready to try with music, hop over to our shorts where you can follow along at 60%, 80% and full speed. Let's start.
Arms on your waist, your hip go left, right, arms on the top, left, right, same hip. And step on your right leg, arms go up, up, down. And then step on your left leg, all in, all with your hands. Switch, go all in, all, down, up, right, left. Hip go right, left. Arms, hands up, up. Okay, let's try with counting. So the first hip is 7 and 8 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Okay, make it faster. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Okay, let's continue. 8 and step on your right leg. Shoulder go right and left and right. Your legs go right and left and right. Arms go swing up. Drop down your arms. Step on your right leg, go 1. And then switch to slide the left leg. Your left arm go out. And then your legs go right, left, right. When your leg go right, left, right, your arms go right, left, right. And switch. Okay, let's try with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Yes. Okay, make it a little bit faster. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. And then grab it, go right, left. Next hip, you go right, left, right, left. Arms with hip go together. And then your arms go right, left. Open your left arm, change the direction 4 times. Last time, close. Okay, try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, left, right, left. Right, close. And then continue, go right, left, right, left. Pat yourself. Ka, ka. Hips still same. Hips still go right, left, ta, ta. Step on your right leg, turn. And arms go up and down. Right, left, down, up. Hands, open. Okay, let's try with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Okay, make it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Let's go the whole part with counting. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
Great job for finishing this tutorial and thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and let us know about other dances you like to learn in the comments. See you next dance!